drive trucks myself, so I can't even talk shit. But some other truck drivers, bro, they be on straight bullshit. They get on my fucking nerves. Damn, bro, how many axles you got? Ooh, brakes locking up. People in their fucking loud cars. Sick of this shit, man. Yep, sorry, one of those neighbors. But man, this is what I normally see when I drive. Some music, man, but with this copyright stuff. Look at it. Morgan's, look, road closed right there. Why he's closing down the road? Like, dang. Now we entering, but this is kind of like Burton, but now we're entering Grand Blanc. We just left Flint. So look at this. Look at this side. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie. Flint is one of those cities. If you want to test drive your car for some off-road suspension, this is almost one of the cities to drive through. Buy an off-road vehicle. I think sometimes these off-roads will even fuck up the off-road vehicle suspension. So you better buy some stuff that's really made for off-road. It's crazy, man. I got here lick real quick, y'all. Hold on. We in Grand Blanc with it. The city that everybody's scared to come to. You gotta create chaos. Everybody's scared to come out here. Oh my God, there's police out here. When it be way more police out in Flint and state boys in Flint. Oh, people, get the shit. I mean, now speed limit is like 55 miles per hour. Like I forgot to tell y'all way back then. It goes from 50 to 55. Man, if y'all like these little POV drives I be doing, just let me know in the comments. I need more engagement. Like people watching and liking the videos, but people not commenting, engaging. And for the ones that do comment and engage, they always got something smart to say. I don't even respond to them. But yeah, I'm trying to also collab with more other YouTubers in Michigan. Y'all got charged. It doesn't matter what kind of car you got. You always gotta be just Mopar. You can have a Chevy, Ford, truck. It don't really matter. You a car content type of person. Whether you just do TikTok or Instagram reels, like hit me up. Everything is the same. My TikTok, my Instagram, and my YouTube. Obviously, because I watch on my YouTube, but everything is the same. Like there is no special characters, no underscores, no spaces, no dots. Everything is the same. And I pretty much I have the same profile picture, so it's easier to find me. If you can find one, you can find the rest. That's how I keep my social medias. TikTok and Instagram are my main ones that I get on. Facebook, I keep that more like, oh shit, hold on, we gotta go. I missed that road. You wanna get a launch test? Let's see how hard this bitch will launch. Oh, let's take out traction control. Put this motherfucking all-wheel drive. All right, ready? my timing on that? What was my timing on that? Was that the timer? Oh, okay. Yeah. That's pretty slow. It said my time there for the 0 to 60 was 5.8 seconds. My 8th mile was 9.1 seconds. My quarter mile was 15.5 seconds at 60 miles per hour. Woo! Yeah, you know how the SRT page is unlocked, huh? This is RT. This is an RT, people. It's the SRT steering wheel and the SRT package unlock screen, but this is a RT. I do not up badge. Even though I kind of did up badge with my car with the front bumper and the rear bumper, but I claim RT. When I open up my door, it says RT. Let me just hold that, put that back in eco mode or automatic. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm gonna start up a whole new video. I just want to get a little POV drive video because I meant to myself I was gonna do it, but I never really did it. So I'll get back with y'all later on. Peace.